Yes, traders, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day, so yeah, as usual, we are going to have a market outlook for the coming week. Now, this will be from 4th of March to 8th of March, so it's just a 5 days market move. And actually, we had analysis last week, so mostly in like 3 first days of the week, market was within a projection, so and highly on Friday, it's when our analysis was totally violated. But all in all, we have made some profits now in the previous 3 days and even on Friday. So I'll be sharing the profits in Telegram channel. So follow the Telegram channel to see other informations that are not shared here on YouTube. So basically, now this analysis will be a top down from the monthly time frame, then I'll go down to 4 hour time frame in most case, and now sometimes I can touch the 1 hour time frame, so it is very rare. And actually I do the wave counts, the support and the resistance, and also I include the also I read the candles now, the candlestick patterns now. So I'll be analyzing the market based on those things I have said. So straightforward, let me start with the monthly time frame, and basically we can see I have highlighted those two levels here. So market has been trading within those two levels for 3 months, playing exactly within the levels, and also we can have the fourth month when market entered within this level. So we can say now in 4 months consecutively, market have been playing within those two levels, up and down, up and down, up and down. So now we're going to see now the March candle. Is it our time now to get out of this range, or we are still within the range? So actually we'll see by the end of March. But basically we have seen now March candle has opened with a very stronger bullish momentum. So there's a very serious gain within the first day of March. So now may this indicate that we'll be having powerful gain throughout the month, or maybe this is just a power that cannot hold for the whole month. So we'll see with the aid of analysis, structure, and everything. So okay, so that's very powerful. So we are within a level, the upper level here. So that's very important. But previous month shows that we had buyers here. So those buyers are the one who have continued with that volume here. So that's very basic. And always I've been talking about the retest to this level. So this one, the February candle retested the level, and currently we're pushing up, but we have the level here. So in lower time frame, we can see now if this level is going to break or is going to reject the price to the downside. Then straightforward in weekly time frame, let us see the highlight, the key things to consider in weekly time frame. So basically, yes, we have this level, as I've said, in monthly time frame, but in my previous analysis I talked about this trend line here. So I said it was touched several times previously here. So last week we were here, so I was expecting to see this week moving to this line, but in most cases I didn't expected a break to the upside. So now the movement has been very powerful, then the price has moved to the upside, far away from this. So actually this creates a new story. This creates a new story whereby we can expect next week to open with a pullback. Now, I mean, it may open with a retest to this broken level because it is a very key level previously here. So price may open with a retest to this broken level. That is possibly going to happen. It is not necessarily because we have seen a very stronger bullish momentum. Price may continue with that, but in most cases, let's primarily expect a retest to this broken level in weekly time frame. And also the overall picture is the same. Now in most cases, I was saying we have the ABC down, ABC to the upside. So I'm looking forward for a powerful push that is going to move even far beyond this. Maybe in some cases, it may move beyond this previous swing low. So the analysis remain the same now. The overall projection remain the same. Why this remains the same? Because we have these two candles here. So now, unless I see price moving beyond those two candles here, it's when I will change the idea of a powerful push to the downside. But if it will remain below those two candles here, we are still down in gold. So that is very powerful. So let me go to daily time frame. Now we have things here in daily time frame. So now in most case, in daily time frame, we can see after this move to the upside, we had a sort of 3 move down, 3 move to the upside, 3 move down, 3 to the upside. So now in most case, price is sideways in daily time frame. So if now price is touching this level up here, so now generally we can expect the price may come again to this level down here. So the 3 up, 3 down is not clear whether it is maybe a sort of triangle, but actually I expect this to be a sort of triangle with a flat top and ascending bottom. You see this bottom is rising, so this point is lower than this one. So now we expect the price may come again creating another level here. So that is possible, and it correlates with what I've said in weekly time frame that price may open with that retest to the broken level down and then may continue to the upside in any way, but we'll see that in next analysis. So in daily time frame, let's expect this push to the downside. And why I'm saying that, because you see those two candles here, now they are similar candles like those in weekly time frame, but these are different candles. But in most cases, I will consider gold is bullish or a long-term bullish when the price has broken above those two candles here. When the price is moving beyond this 2133 level. So when the price is beyond 2133 level, it is when I'll consider that gold is bullish. But for now, those movements to the upside, they are just corrections, but we still expect a powerful push to the downside. So that's the overall projection in daily time frame. And finally, in 4-hour time frame, let us see the entries now for next week. Let us see the entries for next week. Now we have a lot of things, a lot of drawings and wave counts here. So for those who do wave counts, I'm sure they are aware of what is happening here. So basically, as I've said, the upper level, and also we have this level that has been broken. So it was respected several times and it has been broken on Friday. So basically, as mostly always price do, so we expect a retest. So now on opening of the market, we can expect a straightforward move to the downside now to retest this one. So we can expect that. Why I'm saying that, because if you measure a Fibonacci of this one, so price is already around 61%. So if there will be upward movement, there will be just the final movement to move to around 78%. So 78% is around 2100. So price may move up to around 2100 in any way, but after that movement, we can expect a push to the downside. But the primary move I expect to see push to the downside right from the current price. So now we'll be looking on the formation. If this move to the downside will be an impasse, so we can continue pushing to those other levels down there. So that's the overall analysis. Watch for sales. If you are not in a trade, you can wait until you see prices clearly forming the impasse to the downside. But if you're already in a trade, you can just hold it to see what's going to happen. And if you want to take trades, if you see prices pushing up and it's around 2100, so you can start looking for entries from the level of 2100 pushing to the downside. And if you're in a sell, you can close your trades when the price is around this level here. So it may retest and bounce to the upside. So you can close your trades when the price is moving around 2048. Yeah, so around those levels. So that is powerful. Thank you for your time and have a great weekend.